Good afternoon to everybody. And let me greet first our guest of honor and speaker, the Honorable Secretary Bienvenido Raguesma of the Department of Labor and Employment Service. Undersecretary Carmela Torres of the DOLE. Our Chairperson, Honorable Charito Zamora of the Professional Regulation Commission. Chairperson, Honorable LCT of the Professional Regulatory Board of Nursing. Members, Honorable Carmelita Divina Gracia, Honorable Zenaida Gagno, Honorable Elizabeth Lagrito, Honorable Merilo Ong, Honorable Lea Primitiva Pakis, and Honorable Merly Salvani. Let me also recognize the President of the Philippine Nurses Association, Mr. Melvin Miranda. And of course, I also want to acknowledge the presence of presidents, deans, faculty members, maybe of the different nursing schools, the parents, loved ones of our passers, and of course, the batch who passed the May 2023 nurse licensure examinations who are present here. So congratulations to the passers, including the top-notchers.
Yes, thank you.
Oath-taking ceremonies may be the last ceremony that you will undertake before your formal entry to the professional workforce. And for this, let me congratulate the Professional Regulatory Board of Nursing for a job well done, because since October 2022, including this May 2023 licensure examination, the passing percentage for the nurse licensure examination has already reached 71 to 74%. So let's give them a round of applause.
Wow.
For the passers, this is a time for reflection. Because I know that there will be a lot of things that you will factor in when you decide what to do. So first question that I'd like to ask you, just an informal survey. Sino na nag-decide sa inyo na magpa-practice dito sa Pilipinas? Pwede pakitaas ng kamay? Yung mataas yung with conviction.
Not sure natin. Walang conviction dito yan.
Okay. Sa mga magulang po sa itaas, paki-check kung ano yung plano na inyong pangalan. Sino ang may plano na at this point in time na pupunta sa ibang bansa?
Wala eh.
Decided pa.
Diba?
Okay, thank you very much. But I know that you can still change your minds. It's too early. Because if you will hear maybe advice from your faculty members, your role models, from your parents, and if you look at the conditions in the practice of nursing, what is being done by government, because now we, meaning the Department of Labor and Employment, the DOH, the PRC, and the Civil Service Commission, we have already met to come up with measures that would strategize the connection between passers and government hospitals initially. Hopefully, we can also request data from the Private Hospitals Association of the Philippines, Incorporated, whose president, Dr. Rene Delgrano, happened to be my classmate in the UP College of Medicine. So hopefully, it will be easier for me to communicate with him. So, pangalawang tanong, doon sa mga hindi nag-top, sino sa inyo ang nangarap na mag-top kayo? Kumunti. Sa mga ibang taking ceremonies, halos lahat nagtataas ng kamay. Di ba? Dati kasi, marami tayong ginagawa kasi once upon a time, kumuha rin ako ng physician license or exam. So marami sa amin nagdadasal, marami sa amin nagpupunta kung saan-saan. Marami talagang group study kasi noong time namin wala pa yung mga review centers. Bahala kami mag-review. Kayo ngayon, halos may ilang buwan para mag-review. But again, no matter how you came up with your success in passing the licensure examinations, I think that it was due to hard work. Alam niyo kung anong basis ko? Sa figures or statistics ng CHED, napakaraming nag-enroll. But yung percentage na nagko-complete ng course is very small because the attrition rate is very high. As high as 70 to 80%. So if you consider yourselves as part of the 15 to 20% who finish their course, ako nga, nag-expect nga ako 100% dapat ang passing percentage nyo. Kasi nga, nasala na nga through the 4 years in the College of Nursing. But in behalf of the PRC, let me congratulate all of you. I know that not all are present. I congratulate your batch. And I congratulate and thank all the nursing schools who were responsible for providing quality education. And of course, for the PRC, we welcome you to the nursing workforce of the Philippines. So welcome to this oath-taking ceremony. Thank you very much.